A very good morning to all of you. I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Please take care of yourself and your family. The situation is getting worse day by day. Please take care and please utilize your time. Otherwise, you will regret in future that you have wasted your precious time. So please utilize it properly by studying, by playing some physical games, physical activities and all, by yoga, by exercising, by taking green tea, detoxified drinks and all. Okay, let's start our class now. We will start from question number 4 of 12.3 because in one section we were on question number 4 and in other section we are on question number 7. So we will start from question number 4 today. See, all the question is 12.3 is same. The concept is same in all the questions. Like we have done our 3 questions, now the 4th is also the same one. We have given the value of A and B and we have to solve the expressions by putting these values. Like in question number 4, the value of A is 2 and B is minus 2. And your first expression is A square plus B square. A square plus B square. What we will do? We will put the value of A at the place of A and we will put the value of B at place of B. 2 2s are 4 plus, see, if we multiply minus 2 with minus 2, minus will become plus and 2 2s are 4. So it will become plus ka 4. Plus is plus, 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. The answer is 8. I hope you all will get it. Now our part number B, the expression for part number B is A square plus AB plus B ka square. So the value of A is 2, 2 ka square plus 2 multiply minus 2. One thing more, 2 signs never comes together. 2 signs will never come together. So I have put minus 2 in the brackets. Again B ka value is minus 2 ka square. 2 2s are 4 plus 2 2s are 4 and plus minus minus. Plus minus 2 multiply by minus 2, again plus ka 4. Plus minus minus, 4 minus 4 plus 4. 4 minus 4 is 0 plus 4 is equal to 4 is the answer. Now our part number 3rd, it is saying A square minus B square. A square minus B square. The value of A is positive 2 and the value of B is negative 2. 2 2s are 4 again, minus 2 2s are 4 again, positive 4, minus 2 with minus 2 is plus ka 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. There are only 3 parts in this questions and we have done all the 3 parts. The answer of first part is 8. The answer of part number 2 is positive 4 and the answer of part number 3 is 0. Now we will do our question number 5. I hope you all are getting. If you have any doubt in any part, any question, you can contact me over WhatsApp or we will discuss in our Zoom meeting. Now question number 5 is, in question number 5, the value of A is given 0 and the value of B is given minus 1. The value of A is 0 and the value of B is minus 1 and the first part is 2A plus 2B. The first part is 2A plus 2B. 2A plus 2B. The value of A is 0, 2 multiplied by 0 plus 2 multiplied by minus 1. If we multiply any digit with 0, the answer will always be 0. So 0 plus 2 multiplied by minus 1 Plus and minus is minus, so minus 2. Plus minus minus, the answer will be minus 2. The part B is 2a square plus b square plus 1. 2a square plus b square plus 1. The value of a is 0. 2 multiplied by 0 का square plus b is minus 1. Minus 1 का square plus 1. If I square 0 multiply 0 is 0, and if I multiply 2 with 0 it will also become 0. So this is like 2 multiply by 0 is equal to 0, and this is like 1 multiply by 1 minus 1 multiply by minus 1. Minus and minus will become plus, so it will become plus का 1 and plus का 1 also. So it is 0 plus 1 is equal to plus का 2. Now our third part is 2a square b plus 2ab square plus ab. Our third part is 2a square b plus 2ab square plus b का square. No, sorry, plus ab. Plus ab. The value of a is 0, so we will simply put to ab square. We will simply put the value of 0 here. We will simply put the value of b here. Then again 2 multiplied by 0 multiplied by minus 1 का square plus 0 multiply minus 1. If I solve this, this is 2 multiply 0 का square 0 multiply minus का 1. This complete equation will be equal to 0 only, because if we multiply 0 with 2 it will become 0. If we multiply 0 with minus 1 it will become 0 again, so the answer will be 0. In this question also if I multiply 0 with 2 or either 0 with minus 1, the answer will be 0 only. And this equation also if I multiply minus 1 with 0, the answer will be 0 only, so the answer is 0. I hope you all get the answers of 3 questions. We have one more part in this question. We will do it here. Part number D. The D part is a square plus ab plus 2. D part. The value of a is 0. 0 का square plus 0 multiply minus 1 plus 2. 0 का square is 0. 0 multiplied by minus 1 is 0 plus 2. The answer will be 2 only. I hope you all get the answers properly. Our question number 6. In question number 6 we have to simplify the expression first, and then we have to put the value of x, which is 2. Right? The first equation is x plus 7 plus 4 and in bracket it is x minus 5. Okay, the first statement is x plus 7 plus 4 and in bracket it is x minus 5. What does simplify mean? Simplify mean we should open the brackets first. 4 multiplied by x is 4x and 4 multiplied by 5 is 4 5s are 20 and plus and minus is minus, so it is minus 20. Now we will put the values of x together. X plus 4x plus 7 minus 20. Now x plus 4x is 5x. 20 plus minus minus, and the larger digit is 20, so we will put the sign minus here. 20 minus 7 is 13. This is the expression. This is called simplified. ये simplified form है. ये जो equation given थी इसको हमने इसके अंदर simplify किया है. Now we have to put the value of x. The value of x is 2 minus 13. 5 2s are 10 minus 13. It is of plus and it is of minus. Plus minus minus 13 minus 10 is 3, and 13 is larger and the sign with 13 is negative, so we will put here negative. Negative 3 is the answer. Now it's part number 2. Its part number 2 is 3x plus 2. 3 in bracket it is x plus 2, then plus 5x minus 7. Plus 5x minus 7. See, here the bracket is given, so we will solve the bracket first. 3x, 3 2s are 6 plus 6 plus 5x minus 7. We will put the terms of x together. 3x plus 5x plus 6 minus 7. 3x plus 5x is 8x, plus and minus is minus. 7 minus 6 is 1 and the bigger digit is 7. We will put the minus sign here. This is the expression. This is simplified expression. Now the value of x is 2. So we will put the value of x here. X multiplied 2 minus 1. 8 2s are 16 minus 1 is equal to 15 is the answer. I hope you all will get it. Now we will do our third part. Its third part is 6x plus 5 x minus 2. We will open the brackets first. 6x plus 5 multiplied by x is 5x. 5 2s are 10 plus minus 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 ka 10. 6x plus 5x is equal to 11x minus 10. The value of x, if x is equal to 2, then 11 multiplied by 2 minus 10. 11 2s are 22 by minus 10 is equal to 12 is the answer. Now its fourth part. Four 2x minus 1 plus 3x plus 11. Now see, we will open the brackets first. 4 multiplied by 2x it is 8x. 4 multiplied by minus 1 is minus 4 plus 3x plus 11. Now we will put the values of x together. X 8x plus 3x minus 4 plus 11. 8x plus 3x is 11x. Minus 4 plus 11 means minus. 11 minus 4 is 7 and larger one is 11 with positive sign. We will put here positive sign. Now the value of x is, if x is equal to 2, then 11 multiplied by 2 plus 7, that is 22 plus 7 is equal to 29 is the answer. I hope you all will get it. Now we will move to our question number 7. Now our question number 7. Question number 7 is also like question number 6. Like we have to simplify the term first. And then we have to put the values of x, a and b. The value of x is equal to 3. The value of a is equal to minus 1 and the value of b is equal to minus 2. And our first part is 3x minus 5 minus x plus 9. We will put the x terms together. 3x minus x minus 5 plus 9. 3x minus x is 2x. Plus minus minus and 9 is larger, the sign with 9 is positive, so 9 minus 5 is 4 plus ka 4. It is simplified. Now we will put the value of x here. The value of x is 3. So 2 3s are 6 plus 4 is equal to 10 is the answer. Now it's part B. its part B is 2 minus 8x plus 4x plus 4. We will put the x terms together. It is already together. So 2 minus 8x plus 4x, minus and plus is minus always. It is minus 4x plus 4. I have taken the sign negative here because the larger digit is 8x and the sign with 8x is negative. So I have put the negative sign here. Now the numerics together, minus 4x plus 2 plus 4 minus 4x plus 6. The value of x is 3 minus 4 multiplied by 3 plus 6. 4 3s are 12 minus 12 plus 6. The answer is minus 6 here. The answer will be minus 6. Now our third part. The third part is 3a plus 5, 3a plus 5 minus 8a plus 1. So we will put the a terms together, 3a minus 8a plus 5 plus 1. Is it clear? 3a minus 8a. 8a में से 3a गया, what is left? 5a. The sign is negative, negative 5a. Plus 5 plus 1 is plus 6. The value of a is minus 1. So I will put here the value of my a, that is minus 1 plus 6. Minus minus plus, 5 ones are 5 plus 6 is equal to 11 is the answer. Now it's part number 4. That is 10 minus 3b minus 4 minus 5b. I will put together the terms with b. 10 minus 3b minus 5b minus 4. Minus and minus is plus always, but the sign will be negative. So I have put the sign negative. 5 plus 3 is 8b minus 4. Now minus 8b plus 10 minus 4 is minus 8b. 10 minus 4 is equal to 6 positive. The value of b is minus 2. So minus 8 multiplied by minus 2 plus 6. 8 2s are 16 and minus minus will become plus. 16 plus 6 is equal to 22. Now it's part number 5th. That is 2a minus 2b. 2a minus 2b minus 4 minus 5 plus a. See the value, only two terms with a is together here, otherwise there is only one b. 2a plus a minus 2b minus 4 minus 5. 2a plus a is 3a minus 2b. Minus and minus is plus, but sign will be negative. 5 and 4 is 9. The value of a is minus 1. 3 multiplied by minus 1 minus 2. The value of b is minus 2 minus 9. 3 1 ja 3 minus. If we multiply 2 with 2 and the minus and minus will become plus, minus 9. Yes, minus 3 and plus 4 is plus का 1 minus का 9 and 9 minus 1 is 8 minus 8. Is this clear? If you have any doubt, you can contact me over WhatsApp or we can discuss in Zoom meeting also. If you want to take a screenshot, you can take. Now our question number 8, it is again same as we have done earlier. The part 1 of question number 8 is saying if z is equal to 10, if z is equals to 10, find the value of z cube minus 3z minus 10. We will open the bracket first. Z cube minus 3z minus and minus will become plus. 3 tens are 30. Is it clear? Now we will put the value of z, that is 10. 10 का cube minus 3 multiplied by 10 plus 30. Now 10 का cube is 10 multiplied 10 multiplied 10. 10 tens are 100 multiplied 10 is 1000. So it will become 1000 minus 3 tens are 30 plus 30. One is of minus 30 and one is plus 30. We can minus them, we can cut them. Now the answer is 1000 only. And its part B is if P is equal to minus 10. If P is equal to minus 10, then find the value of P square minus 2P minus 100. P square minus 2P minus 100. The value of P is minus 10, then minus 10 ka square minus 2, again minus 10 minus 100. 10 multiply by 10, 10 multiply by 10, that is of minus. So minus and minus will become plus and 10 tens are 100, positive 100. Minus 2 tens are 20 and minus will become plus. 2 tens are 20 and minus 100. 100 plus 20 is 120 minus 100, it is 20. The answer is 20 only. These sums are very easy, you can do by your own also. But still I am doing every part of every question so that you don't have any doubt and you can solve it clearly. Now our question number 9. What should be the value of A if the value of 2x square plus x minus A is equals to 5? See, if 2x square plus x minus A is equal to 5, what should be the value of A if x is equal to 0? So may I put the value of x? Zero multiplied with any digit will become 0, plus 0, minus a is equal to 5. Is this okay? And we have to find out the value of positive a. It is mentioned we have to find out the value of positive a and the a is negative here. अगर a is equal to के बाद चला जाएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा? Positive. And 5 अगर is equal to के इधर आएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा? Negative. So the value of a is minus 5 only. Clear all of you? Now our question number 10th. Now our question number 10th is as same as we have done question number 6, 10, 7. We have to simplify the term first and then we have to put the values of given expressions. Like the expression is 2a square plus ab plus 3 minus ab. We have to solve it first and then the value of a is equal to 5 and b is equal to minus 3. See, we will open the bracket first. 2 multiplied by a square is 2a square. 2 multiplied by ab is 2ab. Then again plus 3 minus ab. There are two terms which have ab in that. We will put them together. 2a square plus 2ab minus ab plus 3. 2ab minus ab will become 1ab only. So 2a square plus AB plus 3. The value of A is 5. 2 multiplied with 5 ka square plus the value of A is 5 multiplied by minus 3. The value of B is minus 3 plus 3. 5 5s are 25. 2 multiplied by 25 plus 5 3s are 15. The value of 3 is negative, so it is minus 15 plus 3. 25 into 2 is 50, plus minus will become minus only, plus 3. 50 plus 3 is 50 plus 3 minus 15. 53 minus 15. If we deduct 15 from 53, it will become 38. The answer is 38 only. I will write it here. So the board is not visible from there. Is it okay? We have done all the 10 questions of our 12.3. If you have any doubt in any part, in any question, you can WhatsApp me the picture of that question. I will explain you on the call or on WhatsApp, or in our Zoom meeting we will discuss this also. Okay guys, have a nice day. Happy Makar Sankranti. Take care. Stay at home.